This is now class 5. Okay. Class 5. Okay. So, where's the teacher? Huh?
She has not come back.
Okay.
And in this machine, it makes work easier. It makes work how?
Easier.
Yeah, it makes work easier. And now, this when we are talking of levers, we have different examples. For example, we have the scissors as one of the simple machines that we do what? We have. Then the second thing, how many of you have ever drank a soda? So before you drink a soda, what does the set of the soda does? The person has to open it, isn't it? Yeah. So when the person is using that opener to open it, in the real sense is using what? A lever which makes the work to be what? To be easier. So, and then we have the crane, we have the fishing rod, we have a pair of tongs, we have human forearm, even your own hand itself can do that. And also we have a wheelbarrow and we have a spade. For example, if you can look at the chalkboard here, this is a simple sketch of what? Of a spade. And therefore, when you are doing work, then the three things must come into existence. The first one is what we call a curriculum. Is what we call what? Is what we call what? And then the second one we have the Lord. We have what? The Lord. And the third one we have the effort. We have what? The effort. Yes. Now these are the classes of labor which we have. Now when we are talking of the Lord, for example, you are using the spade. Where will your hand be? Your hand will be here, where we have one. Where we have what? One. So this is where your hand will be. And then when you put your hand here, for example, the spade, you use it for what? What do you use it for the spade? Yes? For example, removing soil. You scoop the soil. Okay? Yeah. So when you are scooping the soil will be here. Okay? So let us have there to be number 2. Okay? And then you cannot only put one hand here and then you do the work. But you must have the hand in between here. Okay? Yeah. So we have 3 classes. So we have 1, 2, and then what? And then 3. So this hand here, you will get all of it. And then number 3 will support what you are holding. And then number 2, that's where the target or your target is. So this number 2 is what we call the rod. Are we together there? Yes. Yeah, and muzigo. So muzigo no what? 5. Are we together? Yes. So after that, your hand will be supporting the rod which is here. Without your hand supporting here, then you cannot be at the position of making it. And because of that, that support is what we call the fulcrum. Okay? That's what we call the fulcrum because it is supporting it. And lastly, number 1 here, because it is here, this is what we call what? The effort. Because you must increase your energy in order to do what? To scoop it and then it goes. And that's why we were saying that when we are talking of levers, they are of 3 classes. They are of what? 3 classes. They are of what? 3 classes. Yes, they are of 3 classes. why do we say that they are of 3 classes? One, we find out that there is a time when you can find the first column is between what and what? Who can tell me? When the first column is between what and what? Yes. When we find out that when the first column is between the effort and what?
The Lord.
And the Lord. When we have the effort and the Lord, and the first column is in between them, that one we call it the first class. We call it the first what? Yes. For example, if we can have a straight line here, so here we will have F. We will have what? F. Standing for what? And then in the middle stage, here we will have what?
Lord.
We will have what?
Lord.
We will have what here?
Lord.
And then lastly we have what here? We will have what here? So F stands for the first column, L stands for the Lord, and A stands for what? For effort. So it is that when we have the 3 of them, so these 3 of them must appear between what? One of them must be between the other. And when one is between the other, that is what determines whether it is in the first class, whether it is in the second class, or whether it is in the third class. So when we will meet in the next lesson, we are going to carry out an experiment showing on what is taking place. Okay? I'm coming. So when we will meet in the second lesson, we will discuss and do everything what? Practically. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who has got any question where you have not followed it well? Where you feel that you have not got it clear? Yes? What is a crane? What a crane is? Who can assist him? He's talking of this. Anybody who can try? When the person is in class, you just try. Yes? Something like? She has tried or she has not got the answer. That's a good trial. Yes? That's a good trial. So we find out that when we are talking of the crane, this is a simple machine, and it so finding out that one remembers itself.